Yo, it's Norton Antiviral up with another dreadlock vlog. Looks like I just got out of the shower, and see, this is my hair after about a month. Now I did one after a week. This is a month. I've been basically doing the same routine. The only changes I've made is I don't do the towel rub every day. I do it maybe, I would say, once every 2 weeks. As you see, my hair has gotten thicker, my sides have grown out more. When they get long enough, I'm gonna start the dreading process with them too. And I'm gonna do the towel rub, show you guys once again how it's done. Now, you don't have to use this if you don't want. Alright, just gave you guys a quick shake and a quick recap of what the dreading process is. And now, you don't have to use one of these towels if you don't want to. A lot of people are using something like this. It's got holes on both sides. You can make your own, or you could buy one out of some shop or online somewhere. I bought mine online. My hair's a little bit too long to be using this now. It works on the sides of my hair, but it doesn't work on the top and the back. And once again, my sides are only short because I previously had a mohawk. I'm growing it back out. That's the only downside to having a mohawk, is having to grow it back out, unless you want to shave your entire head, which I spend too much time growing this hair to do that. Now, the other thing I like to do once I get done with all this, I like to come through with my spray bottle. Now, in here I've got a bunch of oils that I like to use, all my favorite oils, and yeah, just do a quick spritz. Now, this stuff's supposed to help it grow, keep it from breaking, and make it all slippery so it can tangle together easily. And yeah, this is basically my hair. And you know, a lot of people, I'll do a video on what to put in here. So, or if you don't want to use a spray bottle, some people have the oil applicators so they can just apply it to their scalp. I'll do another video on that. But yeah, this is my dreadlock update, and thanks for watching. I'll be at you with some more Bros Chill.
One more label try to stop me.